Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Today I'm showing you how you can fix the issue of any iPhone footage that you import to your timeline being overexposed when it comes to video editing. If you're ever making a video, you've recorded the footage on your iPhone, you put it onto your computer and it's overexposed, you can't color grade it, you can't edit it, you don't know why, nothing can fix it, it's on every clip, well today's the fix. What a painful issue it is. To fix it once you've already recorded the footage, in your timeline in Premiere Pro for example, click the timeline at the bottom so that the blue box comes around the outside of it. Scroll up to the very top and select Sequence. Then select Sequence Settings. You're going to see General Color Management. Select Color Management. And then change the color setup from what happened to me. It was on HDR. Change it to Direct Rec709 SDR. That then, as long as the output color space is 709 and as long as the working color space is 709, will fix, select OK, it will fix all of your problems, and it means your footage on your timeline, your exported footage, your screen grabs are all going to be exactly the right color. So if this has helped you out, please do leave a like, subscribe. I'm sure many of you appreciate this because I've been through the issue as well. It's so frustrating.